What all-powerful group is older than the universe itself? Well, that answer comes in the form of the Elders of the Universe. There's also the Cosmic Compass and the Celestials, but hey, that's a video for another time. So who are the Elders of the Universe? The Elders of the Universe are some of the oldest sentient beings living in the Marvel Universe. Each has achieved virtual immortality, allowing them to complete mastery over their various obsessions. Each of the Elders has spent their eon-long lives engaged in highly individual pursuits and pastimes. Long ago, the various Elders discovered that if they did not choose an all-encompassing pastime to pursue, that they would lose their will to live, thus surrendering their immortality. Now, there are many Elders, so let's take a look at a few of them. Probably the most recognized Elder is the Collector. He is obsessed with the collection and preservation of living beings and artifacts from across the universe. The reason he does this, his goal, is to have a sort of collection, a library of things to use in case of the universe's destruction. That way he can start and rebuild and sort of seed life across the universe with the many species he's obtained. A fellow elder and brother of sorts to the Collector is the Grand Master. He's an extremely powerful being, usually dabbling in pulling together the most powerful beings in the universe to fight. Famously, this can be seen in the Contest of Champions, as he gets fellow brother and elder, the Champion, to fight Marvel's heroes. Speaking of Champion is basically an overglorified muscle, insanely strong, with the strength to bring down mountains. He's physically one of the strongest beings in the Marvel Universe. These three are basically the main ones, but there's more. There's the Astronomer, obsessed with watching the slow evolution of the cosmos, sort of like a jacked up watcher. There's the Caregiver, she's devoted herself to nurturing and or healing those as she deems as cosmologically important. There's the Gardener, he craves no power and only interest is spreading of life. We have the Obliterator, who's virtually invulnerable. The Possessor, obsessed with gaining knowledge of the universe itself. The Runner, who's a cosmic speedster. The Trader, dedicated to the commerce on a universal scale. And finally, the Contemplator, sort of being of contemplation. Well practiced in meditation, he has an extremely strong will and can project himself in astral form. As mentioned before, the purpose of these beings is to look over a specific section of the universe, whether it be its welfare, its contents, or its safety. The Elders of the Universe are extremely powerful, and after losing a bet with the physical manifestation of death itself, they were banned from death, making them truly immortal. Commonly, they were seen to be the careholders that safeguarded the Infinity Gems, and now they often come into conflict with the Earth's mightiest heroes, the Avengers. But what can we expect from the Elders in the MCU? Well, we've been seeing a lot of them lately. First, the Collector, played by Benicio del Toro in Guardians of the Galaxy, and soon the Grand Master, played by Jeff Goldblum in the 2017 finale of the Thor franchise in Thor Ragnarok. What purpose do they play? Well, hopefully we'll see them more like the Runner and the Champion, and after that, after Infinity War movies, they can be the ones to then safeguard the Infinity Gems once the Titan Thanos has been defeated. But hey, that's just a thought.